Hello everyone. Uh, in continuation to our compound interest topic, the next question is question number 2. So it says if the final amount after compounding is rupees 1000, period is 2 years, rate of interest per annum is 6%, payable half yearly, then find the principal. So what is to be found? The principal is supposed to be found, means the initial investment or initial capital is what that is to be found, and what is given a the final amount, that is till n terms, or here it is actually 2 years, that is given as rupees 1000, and then period is given as 2, and rate of interest I is given as 6% per annum, but it is payable half yearly, payable half yearly, which means it is half yearly. So 6% divided by 2 per half year, which means it is 3% or 0.03 per half year. And since it is payable every half year, number of half years in 2 years will be 2 into 2, so 4 half years. So that is basically our conversion, right? Conversion period. Okay. Now, the formula for compounding is a suffix n equal to c times 1 plus I to the power of n. So here we are supposed to find c. So I will say a n divided by 1 plus I to the power of n is our c. So what is an? It is known to be 1000, and I is known to be 0.03, n is known to be 4. So let us calculate this. 1.03 to the power of 4. That will be in the denominator. So if I do this, I get the initial principal amount as rupees 888.49. That is the solution for this particular question. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.